How to recover your Binance account. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Binance account. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over and open the Binance application, or you can either head over to any search engine and search for Binance application or Binance web interface. And then you gotta simply click on login, and once you're in login, you gotta simply type down the email address or phone number. So I'm going to type down the email address real quick. And after that, once you type down your email address or phone number, you're going to click on next. And once you do so, you'll be taken to another interface where you're going to type down your password. Now, if you don't remember your Binance password and if you wish to recover your Binance account, you're going to click on forgot password over here. So simply click on forgot password and it would say reset password. In order to protect your account, withdrawals, P2P selling payment service might be disabled for 24 hours after you change your password. It means that when you recover your Binance account by changing the password, then all of the transactions, the withdrawals, the selling, trading, everything would be, the services might not be available for you to do for the next 24 hours for privacy reasons. So you're going to simply click on continue. And once you do so, you'll be taken to another interface where you're going to head over to the authenticator app. And after you type down your authentication code, you will be redirected to another interface that would ask you to type down your password. So obviously, when you are creating an account on Binance, they would definitely ask you to verify your account, and they would definitely make you set up an authenticator app. So if you have done that, it would be very easy for you. And then you got to simply head over and type in new password and confirm the password. So I'm going to do that over here. And then you got to head over and click on confirm. Now it would say password change. Your password has been successfully changed. Please log in with the new password. So you're going to simply click on login, click on next, and then you're going to type down the new password that you have just changed. And after doing so, you're going to simply click on next. After typing down your email address and the new password, you will be redirected to your Binance account, and that means you have successfully recovered your Binance account. But however, you wouldn't be able to use any feature for the next 24 hours due to privacy reasons, and once the 24 hours clock has been reset, you'll be able to completely use your Binance again. So that's it for today's video. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.